Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Today I am finally going to go and wash my clothes. So I decided that I'm gonna split it up into 2 days because I have to actually start taking out my hair. But today I also have to go to my cousin's grand opening at 4 o'clock. So I'm washing I have 4 bags of clothes for now, because once I come back home I'm gonna like look through all of my drawers because I mainly just cleaned out my closet. Excuse me. I'm gonna look through all of my drawers, and I know majority of them is already washed, but just in case if I want to rewash them because it's just been sitting there for a while, I'll go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna look through my drawers and figure out what I'm going to wash, what I'm going to dry clean, what I'm going to give away, and then from there, once those clothes are washed, folded, or whatever, while I'm folding them, I'll decide what I'm going to give away, what I'm going to sell, and what I'm going to keep. So I'm going to be doing that. But yeah, I'm going to be washing 2 bags today, 2 bags of clothes, and then the other 2 bags I'll just wash it tomorrow. Because tomorrow the only thing I have to do is take out my hair. So I'm like, I could just do that, have my sisters or my cousins help me take out my hair, and then on Tuesday I can further organize everything that I need to organize. His car is really cool. It has a strip of light on the outside. Really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then I really want to go get breakfast from Starbucks because I'm hungry. I'm hella hungry. And I also need to go Christmas shopping. It's a lot of gifts that I have to get. Also makes me regret me spending that much money on myself, because you see, this is the reason why I don't like spending money on myself, because I spend money on myself at the worst times. I could have spent that $300 on gifts, and I spent it on myself, so now I gotta spend more money. So it's just it is what it is. But I'm gonna go to the supermarket. That's a supermarket. I'm gonna head to the laundromat now, and it's definitely not as cold as it was the other day. It's in the 50s. It's not 30-something degrees, so I could push that cart and not have a problem with it. So I'll see you guys at the laundromat. Ooh, this sun is beaming. Alright guys, so I'm halfway done with washing clothes. I got my Starbucks. I didn't bring you guys with me with that part. Right now my clothes is drying, and I have about like 30 minutes or so to go and get my car washed, because I need to get a car wash. Like, my car is disgustingly dirty, and I don't like that. Like, I mean, it's not as dirty as I've seen some people's car be, but it is quite dirty, and I can't stand when I see like dirt and stuff like in my car. Like, it makes me have like anxiety, so that's not gonna work. So I'm about to go. I need to get gas too, so I'm about to go and get my car washed, then come back and get my clothes. Oh, get gas and then come back and get my clothes. So yeah, this sun is beaming today. And then once I come for my clothes and everything, I need to start getting ready. Right now it is what, 1:37. I thought I'd be done washing clothes by now, but because I went to Starbucks so late, I went back home and I started doing TikTok dances. I don't know why. And I ended up leaving my house like around 12:30, and at that time I already had like only like 15 minutes to hurry up and get back so I could take my clothes out of the wash. But by the time I got over there and back, like, my clothes was already in there for like 15 minutes. So I would have been like a little bit ahead of, like, I would have been almost done washing clothes right now, but because of that it took way longer. So what did I say? What was my point of me saying all of this? I don't even freaking know. But yeah, I have to get ready because of my cousin's grand opening thing. I mean, it starts at, she said that she wants us to come there at 4. I'm gonna probably get there like around 5 or so, because I really want to record a reel, my first reel. Oh my god. And I also have to edit my video that I posted yesterday, which was my sit down chit chat get ready with me. I have to edit that video to make it into a 1-minute clip so that I could post it on Instagram, and also send it to my friend for her brushes and stuff or whatever. So yeah, I have to do that once I get home, and I wanted to at least post by 3. So goddamn. So hopefully I have enough time to do all of that, because I'm kind of doing a lot right now, to be honest. But it is what it is. What is a girl to do? So the grand opening is going to be from like 4 to like 8 or something anyways. I mean, she's having like a grand opening for everyone else to come, like you to come in to get like discounted hair services, nail services, all of that. And then like for her friends and stuff to come and actually see the grand opening. That's going to be around like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I'm going to try to get there for 5. That's going to be like my timing to go. Is this the line to the car wash? If this is, oh baby, it is. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm good. Car ain't getting washed today. Let me just go get some gas. Hey guys, so just finished washing clothes. Obviously I did not get a chance to edit the video that I wanted to post on my story, well, on my page. So I'm just going to do it for tomorrow. And ooh, your girl is tired. Okay, I'm hella freaking tired. But basically, hold up, I just realized something. This is Vlogmas number 14, right? Yes, this is Vlogmas number 14. Yesterday was Vlogmas 13. This is so confusing. Oh my gosh, like I'm trying to get it all together, but I'm very confused. Okay, so like I was saying, yeah, I feel like when I introduced this Vlogmas, I think I said Vlogmas day 13, but this is actually Vlogmas day 14. Okay, so that's what it is. So I'm like, hold up, like I know I'm not posting this tomorrow. I'm like, did I edit my other vlog? I didn't, so I didn't. But I just got home from washing clothes, and I just got my Savage Fenty package finally. Savage Fenty just be taking forever to get to me. I don't like that. I like when I order stuff by like the end of the week for it to be like out for delivery. It would take like 2 weeks to get to me. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Savage Fenty. It's not anything, it's not a lot, it's just a few things. But so I got, these are the pants, right? These are the Goji Berry Red X Print pants, and I got it with the Goji Berry X Print crop top. I feel like this is like such a cute like Christmas fit, really cute. And then I should have got the bralette. I thought I was getting the bralette, but I guess I just got another pair of panties of these same. I already have one of these, and I bought another one thinking that I had the bralette, but I didn't have the bralette. It was just panties. So this is the Bad Gal Doodle print thong, and from what I've seen in like the behind the scenes, I guess, of making this, is basically Rihanna's writing. Like, I guess she just doodles in her book, so they took that and made it into like a print, like their own design. So that's basically what this is. And then I got the this is the Logo Meshed Unlined Bra in black, It just has like Savage, and well, it just has Fenty all over it. And I got that with a pair of just regular black cheeky cheekster panties. That was about it. So yeah, I'm about to shower, wax, and then get ready to go to my cousin's grand opening. I wasn't going to like get dressed or anything, but I decided that maybe I should because everyone is getting dressed. Like everybody's gonna be like all dressed up, and it's like I want to get dressed up, but I want to be able to take pictures. But if I'm not able to take pictures today, I'm literally putting on the outfit the next day, and I'm gonna take pictures in it because it's a really cute outfit. It's what I bought from Zara the other day. You guys see it in Vlogmas Day 13. The dress with like the booty heels, so I want to wear that. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower, wax, and then we shall get back on here. Okay, my accent, I don't know what type of accent that was, so let's just not judge me. Cool, let's get ready. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end this vlogmas because I wasn't able to like even tell you guys that I got here in time. And yeah, we just had a whole bunch of fun. I got here really late. I wish I came earlier, but it is what it is. I still came here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlogmas. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I lost my voice literally from yelling all the songs out. I hope you guys enjoy this vlogmas. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Just like the ones I used to know.